Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Watch Chain tool is probably one of the most essential tools for watch owners, enabling effortless adjustment of metal watch bands to achieve the perfect fit. This handy device simplifies a task that can otherwise be frustrating and potentially damaging to your watch, ensuring a precise and secure adjustment without the need for expensive professional services. We'll explore its features, functionality, and how to use it effectively, helping you master the art of watch band sizing. Number 5. EFIXTK Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for quick and easy watch repairs. It's perfect for adjusting watch bands and keeping your timepiece in top condition. You'll receive a link pin remover with extra tips, a handy watch holder, a dual head hammer, pin punches, cotter pins, and even a cleaning cloth. Everything is neatly organized for convenient use. This tool makes sizing your watch band a breeze. It's small, simple to use, and eliminates the frustration of wiggling and struggling with stubborn pins. It fits bands up to 30 mm wide, and the replaceable pins and adjustable base accommodate various band thicknesses. It's a truly versatile tool. This kit is a great value, saving you money on professional repairs. Now you can easily maintain your watches and jewelry yourself. The kit includes an all-metal link remover, a watch holder, a hammer, a cleaning cloth, and plenty of cotter pins. Everything you need is right here. What we like. It comes with various tools and extra tips for different needs. If you're a beginner and want a complete kit, this is perfect for you. It's easy to use, even for first-timers, making watch repairs a breeze. What people say. This kit has everything. Replacement pieces for the wear items. This kit had everything I needed to remove and replace watch links easily. The link remover tool worked well, and the extra tips were useful in case one got worn out. The small hammer made it easier to tap out stubborn pins without damaging the band. The spring bar tool was strong and made switching bands quick and simple. The cotter pins were a nice addition for replacements. Everything felt sturdy and well made. Number 4. MMOBIEL Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need for watch repairs. It's perfect for watchmakers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Easily remove watch bands with the included pin remover tool. It's designed for precision and ease of use. Adjust the size of your watch band effortlessly. This kit makes it simple to add or remove links. The spring bar pusher ensures smooth and safe removal and installation of spring bars. No more struggling with tiny parts. The included steel punch provides the precision you need for accurate adjustments. It's a durable and reliable tool. This kit is a must-have for professional watchmakers and hobbyists. It has everything you need in one convenient place. What we like. This kit is designed for professionals. If you are a watchmaker or enthusiast who needs a reliable and durable tool, this is your best choice. Its robust build ensures long-lasting performance for your watch repair tasks. What people say. The instructions were simple to follow and it took about all of 5 minutes to adjust the watch to the correct size. This tool is the slickest thing ever. I had the job done in 1 to 2 minutes. The tools are straightforward to use, even for someone without much experience, and the steel spring pushers made the process smooth and efficient. Number 3. Ohuhu Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for all your watch band repair needs. It's incredibly cost-effective and saves you multiple trips to the repair shop. Built to last, these tools are rust-proof and will remain a reliable part of your watch maintenance for years to come. They're as durable as your favorite watch band. Save time and money by repairing your watch at home. This kit is perfect for strap replacement and a wide variety of other watch repair tasks. Even beginners can easily use this kit. A handy manual guides you through the process, and the included zip bag keeps everything organized. We're here to help. If you have any questions or concerns, our excellent customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. This kit offers incredible value with a vast array of tools. If you need a comprehensive and economical solution for all your watch repair needs, this kit is unmatched. Its rust-proof design ensures long-term durability and saves you money in the long run. What people say. Simple and efficient. I only needed 2 of the tools included, but it's nice to know that give you metal and steel tools instead of the cheap plastic stuff. It was easy, well labeled, and after watching a couple simple YouTube videos, I was able to easily use the tools and measure the correct bar, and I'm finally able to wear my watch that I haven't been able to wear in many years. Worked like a charm and didn't bend easily. Number 2. MMOBIEL Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for quick and easy watch repairs. It's designed to make fixing your watch simple and efficient, saving you time and money. Easily remove watch bands with the included pin remover tool. Its precision design prevents scratches and ensures a smooth process. This kit includes 24 different tips to handle various watch repair tasks. No matter the issue, it has the right tool for the job. The integrated cotter pin holder keeps your pins organized and prevents loss. This makes the repair process much more efficient. It's built to last with high-quality materials. You can trust it for all your watch repair needs. The extra tips provide even more options for tackling a wide range of repairs. You'll be prepared for almost any watch repair challenge. With this kit, repairing your watch is easier than ever before. Get professional-looking results without the professional price tag. What we like. This kit provides a good balance of tools and extras. If you need a versatile kit with extra tips and a head hammer for various tasks, this is a great option. The extra tools add convenience and efficiency to your watch repair projects. What people say. This appears to be a high-quality set that's easy to use because everything is a decent size for my clumsy hands. This is a good thing to have. I needed to take a link out of a watch band. This is just what I needed. Easy to use. Quality is good, size is compact. This one works. Better instructions and the push pins did not bend. Number 1. Selizo Watch Link Remover Kit. This kit makes watch repairs easy. It includes everything you need to adjust your watch band quickly and efficiently. It's a professional tool, complete with a metal remover, spare pins, and a cleaning cloth. Perfect for removing, sizing, and repairing watch links. Made of durable steel, it's built to last. The included extra pins ensure you're prepared for any repair. Its adjustable platform and threaded push rod ensure easy use on various watch band thicknesses. Sizing your watch band is now a breeze. It's perfect for removing and inserting spring bars on many different watch straps. Ideal for all kinds of watch band replacement and repair projects. This handy kit lets you easily remove and reattach watch band links, saving you time and money on professional repairs. What we like. It's designed for ease of use and includes extra pins for longevity. If you value simplicity and durability, this is an excellent choice. Its straightforward design makes it perfect for quick and easy watch band adjustments. What people say. Despite the other reviews here, I was able to use this with no problem. Now that said, the watch I serviced didn't have super tight pins in the bracelet. I had to use a piece of cardboard to raise the bracelet, so the screw pusher and elevator wouldn't collide, but I feel like that would be an issue on any device like this. No broken pieces for me. Be easy, go slow. I have no clue what those reviewers may be smoking on, obviously good stuff, because this watch tool worked 100% with no instructions needed. I have never done anything like this before and decided to try this on my new Bulova watch. It was a piece of cake. The item comes in a box, tear off a piece or two of the box and make a shim, insert the shim at the bottom and put the link you are removing on the shim. Once there, line up the pin with the direction of the arrows. Do not go against the arrows on your watch band, make sure you have it centered and it is not pushing into the side or misaligned. Once you have it as straight as you can, turn the knob to press the pin out in the direction of the arrow on the watch band. Turn the knob the opposite direction, removing it from the link, then pull the pin out of the link and remove the link. It's that simple. I did not break a single pin or even bend the tip. I watched one YouTube video and all in all it took me under 15 minutes to remove 6 links. Used this device for the first time to remove a link from my watch bracelet. It was so easy and the job was completed in minutes, very pleased. Saved me at least 15 by not going to a local jeweler's. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.